Hey guys, Maria with Wealth Creation, where we talk about wealth, financial freedom, active and passive income, and all sorts of other things having to do with money and life. So, I wanted to give you a quick update on ibonds because I've been talking about buying ibonds for the last few months and I buy them every single month myself. So, I just want you to know that I walk my talk, I do what I recommend to other people. But inflation is coming down, and the I bond interest rate is tied to inflation. So, is it still going to be a good investment? That's my question. And I just wanted to talk about that. So, I was looking up this article that said that inflation was 8.5% in July, and they were expecting 8.1% in August. And we don't know what it's going to be in November when the interest rate for I bonds changes again. Because remember, it changes twice a year. It changes in May and November. So right now, we're getting 9.62% interest APR on our I bonds, and that was as of May. So anything that you were to buy now and up until November, you're going to get 9.62% interest for the next 6 months, and then it will adjust to the current rate. So even if rates continue to go down, I still think that this is going to be a good deal. Think about it this way. I'm starting to see savings accounts, high yield savings accounts at around 2% now in a few places. And a lot of times those are introductory rates. So really we're still in the 1%. That's APR. So even if the I bond rate goes down to 7%, we're still way above interest rates that you can get in banks and even with CDs right now. It could change in a couple months, but right now it looks like it's still going to be a good deal. And furthermore, oh my gosh, I just lost my train of thought. Okay, let's try this again. So with interest rates and banks, and the stock market, that's what I was thinking. The stock market has been really, really volatile. So if you have investments in stock or crypto or any other of those markets, then you very likely may be down for the year instead of up. I know that some of my different investments are definitely down for the year, one of them way down for the year. And so having a guaranteed interest rate of 9.62% right now, that sounds pretty darn good for me. So I'm still buying them. I buy them every month. I did a video back in May about what they all are and what my strategy is and all that kind of thing, and I will link that below. And then I did an update video, I believe in June, and I'll link that video below too, so you can see both of my videos on I bonds and why I think they're a good investment and why I continue to buy them. And we'll find out for sure in November what the new rate's going to be, but remember, you're guaranteed the 9.62% for 6 months after you buy these up through the end of October. And then when you buy them in November, if we decide it's still a good deal, or if you want to continue to buy them, then it will be at the current rate and you'll get that rate for 6 months. Now, what happens after your 6 months at 9.62%? They will go for the next 6 months to whatever the November rate is. And then the next 6 months will be the rate for May 2023. So every 6 months it changes, and every 6 months you change. Now, just want to clear up something because somebody asked me this. So let's say I buy it in October and the rate changes in November. Am I only going to get that 9.62% for 1 month? No, you get it for 6 months. And then for the following 6 months, it goes to the current rate. So you're going to be guaranteed 6 months at 9.62%. Now remember, that's the APR, that's the annual percentage rate. So since we're only getting it guaranteed for 6 months, you're really going to get half of that. 9.62 divided by 2 is, I don't know, I can't do the math in my head right now. But yeah, so you're going to get half of that rate for 6 months, and then it's going to be compounded, added to your initial value, and then the next 6 months you'll get the new rate on that. Now, how much do you have to buy? That's in my video from May and my update video from June, but I'll just say really quick that you only have to buy $25 worth. That's the minimum amount. You need to buy them online from treasurydirect.gov. Yeah, I got links in my other videos. And it's a direct transaction between you and the U.S. government. I have nothing to do with it. This isn't like an affiliate thing or anything. It's just me sharing it because I'm investing in it. I think it's a good deal. So yeah, I want to tell other people about it. Okay, that's it for now. I'm still doing the ibonds. I just bought my ibonds for this month. I bought them last week, and I will buy them again next month, and I will buy them again in October, and we'll see what happens in November. All right, you have a great day, and here's to our success.